In this video, we will show you how to set timer to application using Samsung Android smartphone. Okay, you can see when I already set the timer on application like social media and web browsing. You can see when I click the application, its timer ran out if I already opened the application more than the time I've set. How to doing like that? Okay, for example, let set timer for games. So we can just go to settings by scrolling down the toolbar here and choose here, choose settings, and you can scroll down until you find the features called digital well-being and parental controls. And in here you can set the timer for each application or by categorize. Okay, for example, you can click the app timers here. For example, you add the timer in here. I'm already set for social media. Okay, for just 30 seconds. This is just for example. And let's set into specific applications. Okay, for example, for games timer like this, and we can select the items. In here you can select all categories, okay, like this. So all games in here will be selected, or you can just do by ones. Okay, for example, you have specific application, you can just add one application like this. Let's set for games, all games here. Let's open GTA, for example. After that, just click done, or Snake Clash, just click done. And in here we can click add schedule. For example, this is for hour, and we can just open this application for games only 10 seconds. Okay, this is just for example. Okay, so we can see the result immediately. Okay, let's set into the 0 hour and 10 seconds. Let's click save. Okay, games timer. Okay, 10 minutes left. Oh, I'm sorry, I mean it's minute, not second. So we can just set into the 1 minutes. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, just set into 1 minutes like this, and click save. And let's open the games for 1 minute. I won't just open Snake Clash here. Let's open Snake Clash in 1 minute. Okay, this is 8 more 5 minutes. Okay, let's open until the time become 8 for save is more 7 minutes. Okay, let's see, after it's 8 more 7 minutes, when we try to open again, it will, oh, you can see goodbye for today. After 1 minute it's directly stopped. Okay, you use all your time for games. You can add more time just for today or change the app timer. So we cannot open the application or application close forced. Okay, so this is successfully set the timer for games. And that's all tutorial how to set timers to app inside Samsung Android smartphone. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.